Stop buying pre-cut pineapple at the supermarket because they're just too expensive. This small cup of pre-cut pineapple was almost $4, while this whole pineapple is just $2.50. So let's learn how to prep our own pineapple in this video. And stick with me till the end so that you can learn how to use the pineapple peel to make this delicious drink so that you can get more value out of your fruit. We have to pick our pineapple first. Pull 1 or 2 leaves off the center at the top. They're supposed to come off easily with little effort. Then use a vegetable brush to clean the pineapple. Give it a good scrub since we're using the peels at the end. I'm teaching you 2 ways to cut your pineapple. We're starting with the easier and less messy way first by cutting the pineapple into half. At the center is the core. Cut the half into 2 halves. The core is a bit hard, so you can remove it if you want. Then start slicing along the pineapple, but don't cut through the skin. Rotate it and do the same across. To cut off the skin, hold your knife flat and cut through right above the skin. And now you got your pineapple chunks. Remember to save up the peel for our drink. Do the same steps for the other piece. I personally don't mind the core being a bit more chewy, so I'm keeping it. I like to freeze the larger pineapple chunks in a plastic container to use for smoothies. Make sure the container is plastic because you will have to drop it a little bit so the frozen pieces become detached. Pineapples are great for anti-inflammation, so toss it into a detox smoothie. But if you want smaller pieces of pineapple, just cut thinner slices. Cut the top off first to then cut the bottom pieces off. If you're not planning to freeze them, then you can store them in any container you want. I like to add pineapple pieces to my yogurt for better gut health. But I find this method to be a bit wasteful since you're leaving a lot of the meat on the peel. I prefer to peel the skin first, making thin cuts. Then find the spiral pattern connecting the pineapple eyes, which are the dark spots that has the seeds inside. Cut a V shape into the pineapple to remove the eyes. I find removing 2 at a time to work best. Definitely don't do more than 3 spots at a time. This method creates beautiful spiral pattern on your pineapple. I'm cutting this one into round slices that look like yellow flowers and serving it. Now it's time to make our drink. Place your pineapple peel into a pot and add enough water to cover your peels completely. Add half a cup of white rice, 1 cinnamon stick, and it's optional to add ground allspice. Now let it boil. All ingredients are adjusted for 1 pineapple peel. Lower the fire and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. You know it's ready when your whole house starts smelling like pineapple vanilla with cinnamon. Let it cool off and then blend everything together. Pour the mixture through a strainer back into the pot. I'm saving the food scraps for composting. Add 2 cups of any milk into the blender. I'm using fat-free. Rinse off any remains and pour it into the pot as well. Cook for another 15 minutes at medium to low fire and move it around so that it doesn't stick at the bottom and get burned. You can serve this drink warm or cold. Now that you guys learned how to cut and prep a pineapple, go check out my other meal prep videos so that you can incorporate pineapple into your weight loss diet. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up or subscribe to the channel.